Hello curious souls, welcome to a new video in Science Sarvagna. In this video, I'll be going to discuss why E is equal to mc square is an incomplete equation. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. To begin with, if we want to calculate the energy associated with the photons of light, photons doesn't have any mass. That means E is equal to 0 into c square. Hey, that means light don't have any energy. It can't be true. That means this equation itself is incomplete. The real or the complete equation is E square is equal to mc square whole square plus pc whole square. Here pc is the momentum of any particle which we are going to calculate the energy. What is E is equal to mc square? E is equal to mc square is the equation or the formula used to calculate rest energy. Rest energy is the energy associated with an object which is at rest. Then we can put the complete formula in a simple way. Consider a right angled triangle. Let the hypotenuse be energy and the remaining two sides be mc square and pc, the momentum and the rest energy. Then by Pythagoras theorem, E square is equal to pc whole square plus mc square whole square. So that's it for today guys. We will be uploading many science videos in this YouTube channel. So if you are interested, subscribe and turn on the bell notification. Till then, be happy, be scientific and be curious, because curiosity is the key to reveal mystery. Thank you.